Hi, this is Galaxy S24 and I'll show you how to find and manage sound settings on this device. So first open the settings app and then tap to the sounds and vibration. Here you could switch sound to vibration or mute modes by this way. You could also activate the turn on vibration while device ringing, and in mute mode you could use the temporary mute and mute just phone for 1 to 3 hours or just to use the custom option. Here we could switch the ringtone notification sounds, the system sound. Here we got system sound volume panel. We could just change the level of the volume by slide to the left or to the right side, this dot. Also we could switch here Samsung sound tab to one from the available ones, and also we could activate the touch sounds, keypad sounds, keyboard, charging screen, lock and lock sounds with the click on each of the switchers. Let's go back. In the volume section here we could switch the phone ringtone, media, notifications, system sounds just by slide to the left or to the right side, these dots on each of the volume panels. And also we could use volume buttons for media. Just with the help of the switcher we could turn it off, and with the help of the volume buttons we'll change the ringtone volume. And here we got the call vibration. We could switch the call vibration, notification vibration patterns. In system vibration settings we could activate or turn off the same settings like in the sound system. We could also switch the vibration intensity with the help of each of these volume panels. And in sound quality and effects we could activate or turn off the Dolby items for gaming, to change the equalizer settings, and to use or turn off the adapt sound. In separate apps we could also turn on or turn off this option with a click on the switcher. And here we could also activate or turn off the start mode, the start, the end time, like the shadow, to allow some calls, messages and notifications from many people, apps or sounds, and to change the duration or just to turn it on or turn it off with the help of the switcher. So that's it, that's all of the sound settings on our Galaxy phone. Thank you for watching, and if you like this video leave thumbs up and subscribe.